Now we're going to add a new shop to the Evellier platform. Now we're going to enter through the Evellier homepage as if we were a seller setting up a shop onto the Evellier platform. So what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom. We're going to go to the seller section and click on Sell with Us. This takes us through to the Sell with Evellier page. And this is how we're going to set up a shop or a seller on Evellier. So first of all, we'll put in the name. In this instance, we're setting up the shop called Taryn Winters. So we add the name there. And we also add the name again as the username. Now this is where we add the email. Now, normally we would add Taryn Winters' contact email address, but because we're still in our testing phase, we're just going to put a dummy email in for now. So I've set up a new email address and it's called evelliertest@gmail.com. Okay, now we add a password. The password needs to be a certain number of characters and numerals. Try that again. It needs to have at least an uppercase and at least a number. Say yes, I agree to the terms and conditions and submit. Okay, now this takes us to the next page. This is the seller registration, contact details and business name. So here we'll add the contact number. You can see I've added the +1, so whatever the country code is for that particular country where the brand is coming from, we add the plus and the country code first. Just so you know, I'm also uploading this information via the brand registration form. Now this is the one that I'm using, and each brand will be filling in this information sheet, and this is the information you need to upload the details onto the platform. So now we're going to add the business name. And the contact person. Okay, as you can see here, I might just change that to lowercase so that we're consistent. In this case, the business name is the same as the brand name. Okay, and now we've successfully set up a new seller on the platform. Now, if we go to our test email, you can see here that we've got our new email system here, our test email. What we're going to do now is just check to see if there's anything come in yet. Not yet. But if we go over now to the admin, we click on the hamburger. Let me just refresh. Click on the hamburger. Now we can see under users, the seller approval requests. There's one there. So if we click on that as the admin, we then can see we've just added Taryn Winters and the status is pending. I'm now going to change the status to approved. Now we only approve those brands who we want to be on the website. For all brands who have filled in an application but they haven't been approved by the admin, then we just need to send that through to the business salesperson who will review the brand and will decide whether that brand will be uploaded to the platform. Okay, so we've now successfully added Taryn Winters as a shop. Okay, so let me just check back here. Refresh the mail. Okay, that hasn't quite come in yet. But what I can do is log in, and the reason I'm rechecking this Gmail is because confirmations will come through, just confirming that Taryn Winters has been set up on the platform. Let me just see, it may have gone into spam. Yep, it has gone into spam. So what we're going to do is click, say not spam, and we can see here we have the 2 emails that we send. So we've now created an account, congratulations. And the other email is that the seller approval status has been approved. So they're the 2 emails. Okay, so now that we know we've been approved, Taryn Winters has been approved, we now can go back to signing in. So let's sign in as Taryn Winters. And the password. Okay, now we're on the Taryn Winters dashboard. If we also want to get into the Taryn Winters dashboard through the admin, we go back to the admin, we click on users, we can see Taryn Winters here, and we can log into store via the admin. But we've already done it this way now, so this is the home page of the seller's dashboard. Okay, so that's how we get into there. The next video, we'll look at uploading a new product.